Just wait a minute. I'll share this. Are you able to see the screen?
Yes, sir, I can.
So if you have studied the first chapter, then आपने ये सब पढ़ा होगा कि किसी चीज का मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला ये सब कैसे लिखते हैं, ठीक है? पता है आपको? किसी कंपाउंड का अगर आपको नाम दिया होगा तो मॉलिक्यूलर फॉर्मूला लिख सकते हैं उसका.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm giving some questions. You are able to see now clearly what is written on the screen.
Yes, sir, write the molecular formula.
Okay, you know how to do this, right?
Yes, sir.
Quickly tell me the names of these compounds.
Sir, can I tell directly?
Ah, yes, you can tell.
Sir, first one is K2SO4.
K2SO4,
Second one is Na. I do not know this.
acetate you don't know, right? Okay, so acetate
No,
is
sir.
an anion, okay? And its molecular formula is this CS3COO minus, okay? So
Okay, sir.
usually what happens, first we write the cation and then we write anion, right? But for acetate, for some special anions like acetate, and there is formate. You know what is formate anion?
No, sir.
Okay. That is HCOO minus, okay? So uh, some compounds of carbon, some organic anions, in those compounds what we write, first we write the anions, okay? So here it will be CS3COO minus, and then sodium is your Na plus, okay? So it will be like this. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the third one?
And sir, I also do not know oxalate. What is
Oxalate bond.
oxalate?
Okay.
And and ma'am, and sir, what is that? Tannus. Which
Ox-
one from?
o- Oxalate is C2O4 2 minus. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And stannous, stannous, what is stannous?
No, sir.
So stannous is the Latin word for tin. Okay. Tin you
Okay.
must have seen the symbol
PB.
is SN. है ना? So that stands for stannous. So
So PB is lead. No.
lead, plumbus. Okay. So tin can exist in two forms, stannous and stannic, Sn plus 2 and Sn plus 4. Okay.
Okay.
So with this information, can you tell me what is the formula of this stannous oxalate?
Sir, SNC.
Sn
SN. SN2C2O4.
Sn2C2O4. No. You see how we calculate the molecular formula. First we write the cation. Okay.
We cross the valencies.
We cross the valences. So 2 and 2. So same thing is appearing here. So we'll not write it. Is it clear to you?
Okay, sir. SNC2.
This is SnC2O4. Okay. Okay. What is ammonium chloride?
NH4 Cl2.
Cl2. No. What is the formula of ammonium ion?
NH4.
Ion. I'm asking ion. Ion means it should be having some charge, right?
I don't know.
Ammonium is your NH4 plus. Okay. And what is chloride?
Cl
Cl what?
plus
No.
positive.
Cl minus. It is anion, na? Okay, so you have difficulty in cation anions, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So Cl chloride is Cl minus. Now you can memorize this. Again, cross multiply this. You will get the answer. NH4.
NH4 Cl.
Okay. Then this one, zinc chloride.
ZnCl.
ZnCl. No. What is the formula for zinc ion?
Yes, sir. It's 2.
Zn plus 2. Okay. And chloride, just now I told Cl minus.
ZnCl2.
ZnCl. Okay. Copper sulfate.
CuSO4.
CuSO. Okay. So you have some idea of cation and some idea of anions. Okay. Okay. So quickly take a screenshot of this. Then we will start.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Done.
Done.
One second. One second. I'll share something with you. You are able to see this periodic table on the screen.
No, sir. Yes, sir. Now I can see.
So right now we are just going to
Yes,
look
sir.
at.
Now I can see.
So just now we are going to look into some of the names of cations and some anions. Okay. And your homework will be to memorize
Okay.
all of this. Okay. Okay. So all the cations in this group, this is called as group 1. Okay. From here to here. You are able to see?
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So all of these compounds will have valency of +1. Okay. For example, lithium.
Sir, your voice is breaking.
Hello. Now is it coming clear?
No, sir. It's not clear.
Clear. Okay, once again. Hello. Now it's coming clear.
Yes, sir.
So all the cations in this group, they will have valency of +1. Okay. Sodium will be Na plus, potassium will be K plus, rubidium will be Rb plus, cesium will be Cs plus. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Similarly, for this group, which is your which is your group 2. Okay. This is your group 2 from beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, barium, radium. Okay. So all of these will have valency of +2. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So there in this group you are going to have beryllium +2, you are going to have magnesium +2, you are going to have calcium +2, you are going to have strontium +2, you are going to have barium +2. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Are you in some noisy place? There is a lot of noise coming.
Yes, sir. I'll just wait. Sir, now is it okay?
Is this okay? Okay. Okay. So some of the cations from here. So Fe. What are the oxidation states? Sorry, what are the valencies of iron?
So 2.
It has two valencies, Fe plus 2 and Fe plus
Sir,
3. Okay. So this is your ferrous.
yes, sir, can you hear me?
Hello.
Yes, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir,
Okay.
I was saying it's 2.
Uh, so iron has two valencies, Fe plus 2 and Fe plus 3. Okay. So Fe plus 2 is
Yes,
ferrous,
sir.
Fe plus 3 is ferric. Okay.
Yes.
Similarly, cobalt is going to have valency of plus 2. Okay.
Okay,
Nickel
sir.
is also going to have valency of plus 2. Okay. And this copper. Okay. Copper is going to have valency of plus 1 and plus 2. Okay. So it is
Sir, the
cuprous.
line going from I mean potassium, calcium, and then Sc,
Hmm.
then titanium, vibranium. So, sir, that line is another group.
Which line? K, C. This is no.
The
This is
blue one. Yes, sir. The
no.
blue one.
Blue one is D block elements. These are called as transition metals.
Okay, sir. And sir, that uh, green and red,
Green and red. Which ones?
sir, in downward direction.
In downward direction. Where you are seeing green? This one. B, S, I, G, E. These things.
No, sir. LACEPRND and the red one ACTHPAU.
These ones.
Yes, sir.
Oh, these are your F block elements. Okay. This we have to study in higher classes. Okay. This we are not
Okay,
much concerned about this right now. Okay. Even in class 12, that is out of syllabus of IITC. Okay. F block elements is not very important. Okay. Okay.
okay,
Then here is your another metal, zinc. So zinc will have oxidation state of plus 2. Sorry, valency of plus 2. Okay. Now some more
okay, sir.
examples from here. Here is your mercury, Hg. So mercury shows two valency, plus 1 and plus 2. Okay. So depending on this, it will be mercurous or mercuric. Okay.
Okay,
Similarly, for gold, gold also have you have two valency. This is Au plus 1 or Au plus 3. Okay.
okay, sir.
Similarly, for aluminium, aluminium has one valency, that is Al plus 3. Okay. Like this. I think this will be enough for now. Okay. So you can just take a screenshot of this and you can memorize all these cations. Okay. Apart from this, there is one more cation, that is your NH4 plus. Okay. This is your ammonium.
Sir, so in the syllabus we will have only these number of times in nine.
What you're telling?
Sir, only these will be in our syllabus.
Yes. That will be enough for now. Okay. So you just take a screenshot of this and memorize this.
Okay, sir.
A few more are there actually. Wait a minute. This is your stannous and stannic. Just now I told. Okay. Then this one also. PB. This is your PB plus 2 and PB plus 4. That is a plumbus and plumbic. Okay. And yeah, now it is perfect. Now you can take screenshot.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
No
so
problem.
can you tell me total how many cations are there on the screen? Total, whichever I have written with marker.
Just a second.
Just count it.
So it's 27.
Okay, it's 27. You have taken screenshot?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm clearing this. Okay, so these were all the cations. Now we are going to look into the anions. Okay. This is hydrogen forms one anion, that is your H
Sir,
minus.
can you give me a difference between an cation and an anion?
Cation is the thing that is having a positive charge. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir,
And
apart from that, sir.
apart from that, cations are usually metals and anions are usually non-metals.
Okay, sir. So, sir, can it come in the paper?
No, I don't think it will come in the picture.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So these are some of the anions. First is your hydride ion, H minus. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next, these elements are there. Okay. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, and iodine. Okay. So these forms F minus, Cl minus, Br minus, and I minus. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is fluoride. This is chloride. This is bromide, and this is iodide. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then apart from this, oxygen. Sorry, oxygen. Okay. So oxygen is going to give you oxide. Okay. This is O2 minus. This is your oxide. Okay. And there's another O2 2 minus. This is your peroxide. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Then for nitrogen, you have different anions. Okay. So let us look at them one by one. This is N3 minus. That is your nitride. Okay. Then you have NO2 minus. That is a nitrite. Okay. Then you have NO3 minus. That is nitrate.
Sir,
Tell.
so I can't see anything after O2.
Yeah, what?
Yeah, no, sir, I can see that red and blue. Yes,
There
I
about.
was not able to see the.
Okay.
Now I can see, sir.
Okay. Similarly, for sulfur, you have many anions. This is S2 minus. That is your sulfide. Okay. Similarly, you have SO3 2 minus. That is your sulfite. Okay. Then you have SO4 2 minus. That is your sulfate. Okay. Then you have HSO3 minus, that is bisulfite. Then HSO4 minus, this is your bisulfate. Okay. So these are different anions of your sulfur. Okay. Then, then for carbon you have some anions. For carbon, what all anions are there? First anion is CO3 2 minus. That is your carbonate.
Sir, sir, can you explain that H2SO4 and HSO3 is equal to what is written in is equal to?
Is equal to bisulfate. Okay, that is just name. Okay,
And
this is the formula.
bisulfite.
Bisulfite is HSO3 minus, and bisulfate is HSO4 minus. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Similarly, for carbon, you have CO3 2 minus, that is your carbonate. HCO3 minus, that is your bicarbonate. ठीक है.
Okay, sir.
Similarly, you have C2O4 2 minus. Just now we discussed this is your oxalate. ठीक है. Then we discussed CH3COO minus. This is your acetate. And HCOO minus. This is your formate. ठीक है. So these are different anions of your carbon. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, now for phosphorus, you are going to have some anions. Okay? For phosphorus, you are going to have certain anions. First is VO4 3 minus. This is your phosphate. Okay? Then there is P3 minus. This is a phosphide. Okay? Like this. Similarly,
Sir,
hmm,
sir, can I relog in? It's sir lagging. So
I
it's
think
coming late. Sir, what you are writing, it is coming very late.
okay. I think you have some connectivity problem.
Yes,
Even if
sir.
you log out and log in again, the same problem will continue because your connection is slow.
Okay, sir.
If you are having any doubt, just pause me and ask. Okay. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So aluminium is a cation also, and it can form a anion also. This anion is called as aluminate anion, AlO2 minus. Okay. Like this. These are the different anions that you will be
I
coming
got
across.
disconnected, sir. Yes, sir, I got disconnected. I was not able to hear you.
Okay. Now you are able to hear.
Yes, sir.
So you can take a screenshot
Sir,
of
it was
this.
showing connecting.
Hmm.
Okay, sir.
Can take a screenshot of this.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so how many anions you are seeing on the screen?
Just a second, sir. So it's 23.
23 anions. Okay. So till now we
Yes,
have discussed 27 cations and 23 anions. Okay.
23.
If each of these cations forms a bond with each of these anions, how many compounds you are going to get?
So, sir, can you repeat your question?
If each of the cations forms a bond with each of the anions, then total how many compounds will be formed?
So it will be, sir, 12.
How 12?
Sir, as it has
See,
27 cations. So,
see. Hello, are you able to hear? Hello, are you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, I can hear you.
So I was telling, if one cation forms a compound with all these anions, how many compounds will we get? Suppose we have only one cation and that is forming bond with all these 23 anions. So how many compounds we will get? Hello?
Can you repeat it?
Abhinav, I'm asking a simple question. Let us say you have one cation and you have 23 anions. Is it clear? Hello?
Yes, sir, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Yes, sir, can you repeat the question?
I'm asking you, hello, Abhinav?
Yes, yes, sir.
I'm asking you if you have one cation. Okay?
Yes, sir. Then,
And you have 23 anions. Okay?
okay, sir.
And for formation of each compound, that cation is bonding with one of the anions. Okay? Let us
Yes, sir.
say, let us say the cation you have chosen is aluminium. Okay? Al plus 3. Okay? So that aluminium can form bond with this ion. All the negative ions it can form bond with, right? You are able to understand?
Yes, sir.
हाँ अभिनव बोलिए.
Sir, I always get disconnected to that time. Sir, can you repeat? Aluminium will react with?
All these anions, ठीक है? Aluminium can react with this anion, this anion, this anion, this anion, all the anions. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So how many compounds of aluminium you are going to get if it reacts with all these anions?
So 23.
23, correct. ठीक है? So for one cation you are getting 23 compounds. So for 27 cations you will get 27 into 23 compounds, right?
Yes, sir.
So this is your homework. You have to write the formula of each of these compounds. Is it clear?
Okay, sir.
तो आपको वो क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करके आता है ना करने के लिए, तो आप सारे कटायंस का क्या करेंगे? वेट अ
I
मिनट.
have to, I mean, make a compound with every anion.
With every anion and every cation. ठीक है? I'll show you. You have taken the screenshot, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll show you how you have to do this. ठीक है? So what you have to do, you have to form a table. ठीक है? Here you have to write all the 27 cations which we have written. Okay? Let us say aluminium is one of them, sodium is one of them, like this. Okay?
Okay, sir.
And here you have to draw a list of anions. So like this, different anions. There will be Cl minus, H minus, Br minus, like this. All the anions. Okay?
Okay, sir.
For every cation, you will have all the possibilities with different anions. Okay? So here you are going to write AlCl3, aluminium chloride. Okay? Similarly, here you are going to write AlH3. Is it clear?
Okay.
So like this. So you have to make a table like this.
I don't have to show that.
No, you have to show. You have to solve it and you have to send me before the next class. Okay?
So I have to solve it and send, or I can directly make that.
You can directly make that, and you should send me also. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Solve करके इसको आपको भेजिए. ठीक है?
Sir, can you provide me a number?
अच्छा, you don't have my number. You can just post it in the. अच्छा ठीक है. You can have my number 747724 777.
Sir, just a second. 74.
It is written on the screen.
Uh, Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is your homework. Do you have any doubt in this? Whatever is taught today.
No, sir, no doubt.
Okay. So then do this homework nicely. And today is the first class. That is why we are ending little early. So we'll meet
Okay.
again in the next class. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.